that brings a day so gently and bathes the leaves of memories that fell so long ago. I still recall you in all those early hours, though I was there